Ebyafaayo by'ekireki okurya byahandikirwe nabo ababere baroho ombwire obwo nibagira ngu ekireki n'eky'omutaano kandi n'ekyabuzima kiine kujagusibwa. Omu byafaayo ekiro ekibingi barikumanya nka Tarehe 6 n'ekiro ekyatandikire orugamba rw'okwihaho gavumenti eyabirereho omu bwire obwo omu myaka ya 80 kandi ekikiza kyarengisereza omu mwaka gwa 1981. Orugamboro bingi bakarweta Gorilla War. Ekiro kya Tarehe 6 kikatongozebwa omu butongore akarenda ya Uganda omu mwaka gwa 1981 kandi kinkizaguzibwa birovero 6 by'okwezi kwa kabiri bya buri mwaka. Ebyahandikirwe nibigira ngu National Resistance Army NRA omu bwire obwo okutandika orugamboro bakaba bari abantu 43 kandi aba bakaba baine embundu 27 ezatandikira omurimo.
Of 4 children are learning how to fight with sticks, with spears, with arrows.
Bayingira nebajja abaana nkyabamu nebaduka nebakwata mama wange nebamutta nente nebazitwala nesente nebazitwala.
Always being tortured in the army cells, and even my fellow army people, army men were killed there.
When exactly is in Rubiru barracks, mainly those were those suspected to be the sympathizers of the people of what they called the bandits.
Omurimo gukwerwanaho abw'ebigendwa bitarimu na bimwe kagwebembere Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, president w'ihanga Uganda oriho hati. Orutaro orwo rukatwara emyaka 5 kandi omu mwaka gwa 1986 nibo bahamba Kabamba barracks ebakugira ngu niyo yabire inamani omu bwire obwo.
To ensure that the ownership of the gun is democratically controlled.
Omu ihanga Uganda abantu aba bakarwanira munonga omu bicweka bya Uganda kandi district eziri kumanywa kuba zarwanirwemo munonga nizika 42.
But the Ruwero Triangle Zone is comprised of 42 districts, and these districts are mainly in Buganda.
Museveni yenze nasokero mulabako yali avugana tractor ngali mu bizina naye nga ayina abajasi bangi nga jeye wafendira weru nga batusaba emmere nga tubawa nga batwala.
Ekiro kya Tarehe 6 omu byafaayo nikyo kiro ekiri kuzaara ekiro ekikuru ekibingi barikumanya nk'ekiro kya NRM kandi eki nikigaruka kizaara ekiro kya mamanzi.
One characteristic is that a popular cause, which is very popular, but backed by initially irregular forces which are not regular armies.
Aho mwaka ogwo ekiro eki nikikuzaguzibwa omu district ya Kitgum Kowa Primary Teachers College. Aho mwaka 2018 ekiro eki nikija kuzaguzibwa ahansi y'omutwe nakyete theme eri kugira ngu UPDF and the people consolidating peace and sustainable development and prosperity.
When the blood was shed for Ugandans.
Ahabwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.